What's up, guys? Another day, another dollar. We're gonna start working on this a little bit more. I'm going to chuck it up in the small vise on the drill press over there. And I'm going to cut out the big holes. Work on those. Then I'm going to drill out the small ones and check for fit. And I'm probably just going to use this one instead of the CNC one because I still have another 30 hours worth of printing parts and then assembling and tuning that. So I'm going to get this done. I'll probably not use any of the V-bands on this exhaust, and I'll probably sell this setup whenever I do my CNC one. So if anybody wants this when I'm done, hit me up. I'll sell it probably right just over cost. So just let me know, and let's get to drilling. All right, so she's all jigged up. I've got it to where it's pretty centered. I'm happy with it. And I have it stilted up just a little bit with a couple extra pieces. That way I don't hit the base of this whenever I get through it. Let's drill. And she is smoking. I think I got it a little hot. Took me a little bit to figure out the press, or how hot that is. Oh, it's warm. It's pretty freaking warm. See if I can just knock that out of the way. Yep, there she is. All right, I'm gonna get it all cleaned off and get back to you. So there's the first hole. Next one is lined up after I'm done figuring out the belt routing. So I have it going, oh, if I get this open, super low speed and torque. Pretty much as slow as it can go almost. So, all right, let's drill the next one. Try to keep it cool. Well, design concept to functional. There we go. Tiny, tiny gap through there. Nothing I can't weld up. But there she is. So now, clean this thing up, deburr it, get ready to weld her together. Well, while they're playing around with a BB gun and dropping them everywhere. This is working on my things! Anyways, Tyler, say hi. It's my son. Cam's playing around. All right, back to work. I hear shots. Okay. So, have this all cleaned up now. All the holes are drilled. I forgot to mention that a minute ago. But it looks like it lines up pretty well. So then I can weld that all together. And probably cut it right at the top of this weld. That way it's nice and short. And then I'll start the pie cuts going down. And get ready to start putting it on the car. What are you gonna do over there?
Going to release fire.
In Soviet Russia?
Yes, in Soviet Russia.
Anyways, got this all deburred up. And head studs are on. Or head studs. Psh, turbo studs. Check that out, boys. Not too freaking bad for just something handmade. And then, let's see, that's gonna go that side. Get this lined up as best I can. There we go. Might have to bash those in just a hair to get the nuts past them. But for the most part, I'm going to consider that a success. Well, I got the prime weld fired up. Got all the stainless clean. It's all wiped down. Get the fire hazard away for now. Yeah, I'm going to tack this up, put a few little tacks on it, and have everything's where I want it, you know? Alright, time lapse time. Alright, so Got a few tacks on her. It's not going anywhere. And, alright, this time I'll call it the video quits. See you guys on the exhaust one.